Did you get the discovery from the public defender?
No, Your Honor.
Why not?
Because at that time, we have a deal that the client will
say.
Listening to both the attorney and the defendant is downright confusing. It feels like they're going in circles on purpose just to waste time. The attorney is giving Judge Simpson the ultimate runaround instead of just stating what's really happening. You can literally see the judge getting more and more annoyed, and then he finally snaps, yelling at the lawyer to get it together. Honestly, I don't blame him one bit. How are you even trying to make a plea deal without having discovery? At that point, it's awkward, kind of funny, but also frustrating to watch. Some lawyers treat chaos like it's part of their strategy. Let's dive in and see what happens.
Courthouse case, People versus Rashad Ahmad.
Ready, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Hassam Qudsi on behalf of the defendant.
Rashad Ahmad.
I have a plea form in front of me that indicates that the defendant is going to be pleading guilty to attempted interfering with electronic communications. That's a 1-year misdemeanor. That's a count 3. Upon a successful plea to that charge, counts 1 and 2 would be dismissed. The defendant is also agreeing to pay full restitution, and there's a sentence agreement, although the court, I cannot bind the sentencing judge. In this case, there's an agreement to no upfront jail. The prosecutor and defendants are agreeing to that.
That's correct.
Yes, Your Honor.
May I have him sworn?
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
State your name.
Rashad Ahmad.
Sir, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of attempted interfering with electronic communications. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand also, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Washington in the 14B District Court.
Yes, sir.
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
Sorry?
Do you still wish to plead guilty to this charge?
Your Honor, may I say something? Just something happened. The victim is here. Just want to let you know.
Okay.
And may I approach, Your Honor?
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that.
All right, sir, understanding the maximum penalties in this case, do you still wish to plead guilty to this charge?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
You signed an advice of rights form. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question regarding those rights?
No, sir.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, sir.
Has anybody threatened you or coerced you in any way?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
And also because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes, sir.
July 8th, 2025, at the location of 1480 Parkwood Avenue, Ypsilanti Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What did you do what did you do that makes you think that you're guilty of the offense of attempted interference?
May I form the question, Your Honor? I'm sorry. Did you text her? You put a daughter via Zelle and text her. Did you do that?
After the court, you mean?
No. The judge is asking you, did you text her? Did you text her, send a text message via Zelle?
Yeah. Yes, I did.
This guy pleads guilty to attempted interference, and somehow the only thing more confusing than him is his own lawyer. Grimacing face. When the defendant struggles with English, that's one thing. But when the attorney can't even string a sentence together, the courtroom starts looking like a language class gone horribly wrong. Judge Simpson is trying to stay calm, but you can feel the mental facepalm. The law is supposed to clarify, not remix itself, and here's the kicker, pleading guilty without clear communication can actually void the plea. Judges repeat themselves like broken records for a reason, it's legal protection, but even that can't save this mess. The lawyer keeps fumbling with, and I think, answering the same questions over and over. It's a slow-motion disaster where everyone's pretending it's fine. You can almost see the judge giving him one last chance before things spiral, and I wouldn't be surprised if even the stenographer gave up trying to stay straight-faced. If this is what representation looks like, no wonder defendants lose faith in the system.
I don't know how that,
It's like, it was send money, it's not text.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
how does that, I don't know how I get to the charge.
It's the only electronic device that he attempted to do. He was texting her, giving her $1 through Zelle so he can text her a message.
Sir, I'm just saying, whatever is being said to me doesn't sound like the offense.
Mr. Ahmad, on that date, were you with a Kimberly Chavaria?
مش فاهم.
He doesn't understand.
Like-
Who is this Kimberly? I want to, he's saying. He doesn't understand. ما نكسبها بالاسم Kimberly?
Yeah, هي اسمها. Yeah.
She's asking you, you were with her on
Yeah.
that date?
Yeah.
Okay.
And on that date, did she try to contact 911?
Yeah.
And did you take the phone from her?
No, I didn't take the phone. Because she didn't try with the phone, she did try with Alexa.
Did you tell Alexa to stop calling 911?
Because Alexa said, just one time, because Alexa said she can't call 111 and start talking something else. That's why I stopped Alexa, because Alexa didn't, like, how we can say,
So you stopped Alexa from calling 911?
and not for calling, no. Alexa, after she called 911 and Alexa, it doesn't work for call 911. And they start talking, like,
Did you take her phone from her at some point?
no.
All right, well, I can't accept the plea. I don't have a factual basis.
Your Honor, so we do a preliminary exam? Your Honor, right,
Okay,
asking.
there will be a preliminary exam set. I will assume that all discovery is complete.
Oh, no, there was
I
no.
will assume.
Your Honor, there was
Trial
no
can't
discovery.
accept the plea. Pardon?
There was no discovery. We didn't get any documents, police report and anything. Because at that time, we thought that we have
Well, why am I taking a plea if there's no this doesn't even make any sense. What?
Your Honor, in my file, discovery is tendered. You've sent over the media as well as the 911 call has been uploaded.
I never received it, Your Honor, 100%.
Was it sent to him? He's been the only attorney on the case, so.
There was another attorney before me, Your Honor. It was a public defender.
Did you get the discovery from the public defender?
No, Your Honor.
Why not?
Because
I mean,
at that time, we have a deal that
For
my
Pete's
clients will.
sakes.
Your Honor, I believe we sent discovery to both the public defender. I believe Ms. Stedman was also on this case prior, and the discovery was also sent to her.
And you're saying from neither prior attorney did you get discovery?
No, Your Honor.
Can you send it to him now? Because I'm setting this for exam. I'm not playing around with this anymore. Send a discovery to them. This will be set for preliminary examination in person, September 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before me. I'm going to quit playing games. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
An attorney you're paying is willing to take a plea deal without even asking for discovery. Flushed face, that's wild. A free, overworked public defender could have given you the same level of representation. Seriously, why pay Uber prices for a bus seat? And the worst part? The lawyer fails at his job, but still walks away with the client's money. If he had just done his homework, the case would be over by now. Instead, he'll bill for extra work like reviewing discovery and showing up again, basically cashing in on his own mistakes. It's crazy how the system lets incompetence profit off confusion. How did this guy even pass the bar? Did he cheat, or was the grader just feeling generous that year? Grimacing face, honestly, I feel a little bad for the defendant, because for once, the client might be smarter than the lawyer. What do you think? Maybe I'm being harsh, but shouldn't courts start holding lawyers accountable for lazy work? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.